If you want to lose body fat and tone your body up and you don't want to have to count calories or do anything that's complicated, that's exactly what I'm going to give you in this video, literally step by step. My name is Sam. I lost 100 pounds in 6 months without having to count calories or doing anything that was complicated, and I'm going to give you guys the step-by-step plan so that you can do the same exact thing. And I also want to highlight one of my clients. His name is
How much did you weigh
Maurice.
when you first started?
309,
What were you this morning?
300.
What's that? Like 7 days?
Yeah,
Eh,
not quite seven. We started Sunday.
Yes, wow, not even like 6 days.
He just lost 31 pounds over the last 9 weeks, which is a little bit over 2 months. So if we keep going at that rate, over the next 4 months, he'll be down 60 pounds. In this video, we're gonna go over 4 things. We're gonna go over what you need to eat. We're gonna go over the workout plan you need to follow. I'm gonna give you some tips on how to stay consistent, like what to stay away from. And then finally, I'm going to walk you through what results you should expect to see within the first few weeks of you starting this plan. So number one, what to eat. So we're gonna keep this very simple. We wanna do 2 or 3 solid meals a day. Each meal is going to be a protein with vegetables. That's your base. Now, if you want to eat carbs with these meals, like rice, potatoes, etc., we're just going to do a little bit of carbs. So just a tiny amount of the carbs. And if we want to snack, we're going to pick a healthy option. So now I'm going to give you some examples. So for breakfast, these are 3 examples. You could literally just do what I'm going to tell you. Number one, you can just do a protein shake. You can make it with 2 scoops of protein powder and sugar-free almond milk. That's it. Option number two, it can be 1 cup of egg whites with 3 eggs and a side of vegetables. Option number three is 2 eggs and 7 ounces of chicken breast, or it can be 7 ounces of 93% lean ground beef. Now, for your lunch and dinner, these are 4 options. It can be 6 to 8 ounces of chicken breast with vegetables, or it can be 6 to 8 ounces of lean ground beef, 93% lean, with vegetables, or it can be 6 to 8 ounces of salmon with vegetables, or it could be 6 to 8 ounces of top sirloin steak with vegetables. And if you want, you can add in half a cup of rice or half a baked potato or half a sweet potato to your lunch and your dinner. Now, if you want to lose weight really, really quickly, we could just cut out all the carbs, but you don't have to, and you'll still be losing weight. Quick side note, the way that you cook your chicken or your vegetables or your salmon, basically when you're cooking your food, do not add a lot of butter or grease because that is going to add a lot of calories and that's going to basically make it not good for fat loss. On top of these 3 meals that we're eating, our breakfast, lunch, and dinner, we can have one snack a day. So for the snack, it can be 1 serving of fruit. So that could be like 1 banana or 1 apple or 1 cup of grapes, things like that. Or it can be 1 protein bar, or it can be 1 protein shake, or 1 serving of Greek yogurt. So basically, the way we're eating is 3 meals a day. Each meal is going to be a protein source and vegetables. If you want, you can add a small amount of carbs to it. And if you want to have one snack a day, it can be something healthy like some fruit or a protein bar. Next, the workout plan we're going to follow. We're going to split the workout into 2 different categories. We have cardio and then we have strength training. So cardio, we're going to talk about that one first. Cardio is good because it helps your body burn more calories. So basically, doing cardio, it just helps you lose body fat a little bit quicker. But if you stick to that diet, you'll be losing weight. Cardio just helps speed it up a little bit. So I recommend doing 60 minutes of cardio every single day, especially if you're somebody who's inactive, meaning you have a very sedentary job where you're sitting down a lot. Now, if you do get in a lot of steps because your job is pretty active, then you can do 30 minutes. But I can say this, the more cardio you do, the faster you're going to be losing weight. So if you want to just do 60 minutes, regardless of if you're active or not, do 60 minutes of cardio a day. It can only help you. Now, what to do for cardio? You can walk outside. You can walk on a treadmill with an incline. You can do the Stairmaster. You can use the elliptical. You can use the bike. You can play a sport. You can dance, etc. It's anything that gets your heart rate up and anything that has your body just burning more and moving more. Now, the more intense it is, usually the better because that means you're going to be burning more calories. And like I said, if we're trying to lose body fat quicker, we want to do more cardio and do it a little bit more intensely. Now we're going to talk about the strength training. So some examples of strength training would be lifting weights or doing calisthenics, things like that. Weightlifting or strength training is done in order to build muscle. So a very simple routine that I like to follow is I like to do 4 days a week. Okay. 2 of those workouts will be focused on the lower body muscles, and the other 2 workouts will be focused on the upper body and the core muscles. Because generally speaking, we want to hit every muscle group at least once or twice a week. So us doing 2 lower days and 2 upper body and core days is going to be like an easy way for us to hit full body in a nice, even, and balanced way. Now, if you already have a good workout routine, just follow that. But if you need a simple one to follow, you can do this. So on your 2 lower body days, you can do squats, lunges, and leg press. If you don't go to the gym, you can do squats, lunges, and you can do glute bridges. If you are going to do upper body, you can do push-ups or you can do a chest press. That's for your chest. You can do pull-ups or you can do lat pull-downs. That's for your back. You can do dumbbell shoulder presses. That's for your shoulders. You can do bicep curls and you can do tricep extensions. And for your core, you can do leg raises and you can do sit-ups. Now, for every exercise that I just laid out, do like 4 sets of each one and do 10 to 20 reps of each. Now, if you want to make these workouts harder, just do more reps or, use heavier weights. If you want to make it easier, just do them body weight and do a little bit less reps. Now that we have the plan, so you know exactly what to eat, you know to do your cardio every day, you know to lift weights 4 days a week. And if you do that, you're going to be losing body fat. Now I want to give you some tips to help you stay consistent. So tip number 1, and this is a major one, remove all of the junk food from your home. If the junk food is not there, you're not going to be able to eat it. It's as simple as that. Number 2, avoid high temptation environments. Sometimes that means skipping certain hangouts, like I can't hang out with certain friends. Now, this is a short-term sacrifice in order for us to reach a major goal because you got to recognize your patterns. If you know every time you go to your friend's house, like every time we go to Sally's house, we end up eating cake and ice cream, let's not go to Sally's house because it's full of temptation. So that's the idea behind that. Now, if you are able to stick to this plan exactly as I laid it out, you should see, matter of fact, you will see that you're losing 2 to 4 pounds of body fat every single week. Okay? Imagine if we stick to a plan like this for the next 3, 6, 9, or 12 months, you will completely transform the way that you look forever. Now, what I just told you, it will work. If you stick to that, your body will transform very quickly and you will get that 6-pack. You will get that toned body that you're looking for. Like you will see the results if you stick to that. You'll see results within a month, guaranteed. Now, if you're somebody who struggles with accountability, maybe you need somebody to give you just like more strategy and to like work with you and to give you that support that you need, then you can click the link for fitness coaching. We'll get on a call. And if you like the program, then we will get you started on something. All right? Take care and do me a favor. Comment below and let me know what you would like to learn next. And it would be my honor to help you reach your fitness goal. Take care. God bless you.